Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Yamaha FJ09 Sport Tourer. This 3-cylinder 950 just arrived with only 9,470 miles. Beautiful condition, really sharp, matte silver and black. It's got the 3 different locking, mounting, side case and top case, ABS brakes, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Nice low mileage unit, and boy is it gorgeous. Come on by, make your sport touring dreams come true for only $69.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.